Sunshine, sea breeze, and a whole lot of sparkle. This is Benidorm, like you've never seen it before. I'm hitting the streets in style, pink hair and all, because mobility can be bold, bright, and totally fabulous. Welcome to my world. Let's ride.
And then we've got the Rio Park Hotel. Drop a comment below if you've stayed here and what did you think. Bar area, pool area at the back. Entrance for the staff there. Scooter park area. And its entrance. And the yellow brick road, which you may or may not have heard about. Don't go down there late at night. And then facing the Moby Dick apartments there. Nice apartments, nice pool area. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like, hit the share, hit the subscribe button, and make sure as well that you hit that notification bell so that you'll always be notified when I upload more great content.